What's happening, Ty?
We just got your dad a gift for Christmas here.
And how's it going?
My hand's stuck in between the wheel and the
So my
cover.
dad's gonna have a steering wheel cover, but Ty now
And
lives
slowly
in...
the steering wheel is going to become oval shaped and...
We were worried for a moment we might just break the steering wheel off trying to get that thing on. Actually, that's the closest it's been, Ty.
Yeah.
Wow. Dad, you have no idea how long we've been working on this.
I'm sweating.
So am I. And by the way, the directions say, slips right on in seconds.
I mean...
Oh, we damaged it more?
No! We didn't do that.
Oh, okay.
Just saying it needed it.
It needed it. Yeah, it really needed it. We were a little like, yeah, we felt like it needed an upgrade, Dad.
Corey,
And
can you explain this to your medical chaplain?
Yeah, well, I broke my fingers
Off.
They're now inside of a steering wheel cover.
Are we ever going to think to ourselves this was worth not spending $12 more?
For what?
For a better
Another
one that fit? Oh, it's getting me up. Here, if you move your left hand. Oops.
I'm literally sweating.
That's it. I don't even think we could get it off or on now.
Ty's putting all his body. Dad, we must really think this is necessary. Wait, I think we did it. Dad, you have no idea how much work that was. We were honking at people. Well,
Hope
we
you like it. Hope you want it. Hope you wanted it. There's no going back.
Okay, we're gonna go rest, take a nap now.